I'm meteorologist Adam Stiles. We're keeping an eye on some showers right now that have been rolling across the north end of the city. In fact, out toward East York right now is where we're dealing with the intensification. It's going to be along O'Connor Drive as you're making your way out toward the Scarborough area. You can see some of those heavier downpours are there. As you take a look at what's going on here with the wider view, you can see back in through the Fergus area, we're dealing with a few of those showers, but there's a gap into the west end of the GTA here at this point. So we're in pretty decent shape. That shower that came rolling through the north has moved off and is going to continue across the north end of the GTA, but we're going to get back into this here as we head in toward the later evening hours, closer to 9 o'clock here for the GTA. So that's what we're going to be keeping an eye on, the potential for some of that thunderstorm activity to still hold on here as we go through the evening hours. As far as the watches and warnings are concerned, they've added a severe thunderstorm watch for Barrie as well as Dufferin and Innisfil. Still holds for most of southwestern Ontario. Taking a look at the satellite and radar combination, you can see that big swath of rain that came rolling through earlier is now off toward the east, and we're just dealing with the scattered showers back in behind it. But the area of low pressure is locked up toward the north, and that low to the north is just going to continue to send waves of energy our way. And that's going to keep us into a fairly unsettled pattern here for the next couple of days. So we have the wave that is rolling through right now. And then if you look back in toward the Minneapolis area and out through portions of Wisconsin, that's the next front that swings through. And it'll just continue to cycle through these waves of energy. We will see some clearing, though. It's not going to be a washout. It's not going to be lasting all day long, but there is going to be that on and off wet weather here as that low is just parked in across northern Ontario. So another round of showers and a risk for thunderstorms are possible during the day tomorrow, and they are going to be sort of short-lived events that we're going to see. Nothing too widespread, but we may even see a few of those showers lingering into Wednesday as well. A break on Thursday, but then more wet weather expected as Friday settles in, and we will dry things out by the weekend from the looks of it here at this point. When you take a look at the Futurecast model, you'll see we're still dealing with that next line until about 10 o'clock tonight. Still, that risk is there. Overnight, there could still be one or two showers as this front is just dragging across the GTA. They shouldn't be that intense, though, as we head in throughout the overnight hours. As we get in toward the early morning, we'll see some clearing coming our way, and we are going to find some sunshine to get the day started here for most of the GTA. And then into the afternoon, another round of showers and risk of thunderstorms popping up from 1 o'clock to about 5 o'clock there into the evening. We won't see much in the way of rainfall, but if we do get a couple of those heavier downpours, it'll be fairly localized. Temperatures will be near 19 degrees here this evening. We're looking at about 13-degree start to the day with some sunshine. As we head in toward midday, we're at 20 degrees and then 21 into the afternoon with that scattered thunderstorm risk. A lot of 20s, a lot of 21s here throughout the week. Again, not a washout, but basically the 3 out of the remaining 4 days have some wet weather in the forecast. Storms tomorrow, storms again possible on Friday. Drying out, though, as we get into the weekend. It is going to be a little on the cooler side, though, with temperatures near that 18-degree mark. And then we're looking at 20 by next Monday. That's a check on your forecast.